Hi, my name is Greg Cassidy Jr. I'm one of Rob's Automotive's lowboy drivers. I've been with the company now 8 years. I've really grown into my role here at the company as one of their heavy haul specialists. The truck I drive for Rob's is a 2020 Peterbilt 389 with a Cummins X15 605 horsepower, 2,050 foot-pounds of torque, with 430 gear rears on a 46,000 pound suspension. One thing really good about Rob's is they let you make the equipment you run from your own. So on my 2020 Peterbilt, I've upgraded the headlights, I've done a full underglow kit at night, it all flashes nice and red. Tinted the windows, done full sound system on it. They really let you put your identity into the trucks that we haul, because we're not just a tow company, we're specialized. We got Conestoga trailers, we got specialized stretch trailers, we got bus trailers. I haul an 85-ton, one of the only 85-ton lowboys in the area. We can do anything up to 12 axles with it. We got the beams, we got the decks for them. We're more than just towing here at Rob's. What we have tonight here is American 7260 crane that we disassembled down here in Chesapeake, Virginia last week. We had to take the tracks off, everything off. Then we're going to take up to Staten Island tonight, put on a barge, and it's going to live its life on a barge. We have it on our 2022 Fontaine 55-ton, 18-inch ride height lowboy. Overall, it's a nice light combination, so I can get away with a lot of bigger stuff on less axles to get around in the city with. It's really fun working here. I got to start working here when I decided to come into the equipment industry. They really let you find your own path in this industry. I started off as just a regular truck driver, and they gave me the opportunity to do what I do now behind me here.